Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to images in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to enhance your photos and give them that professional, polished look with just a few clicks. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Adobe Express account. Make sure you've got your login details ready so you can access all your projects and start editing right away. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Adobe Express homepage. From here, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where all your previously worked on projects are stored, making it super convenient to pick up where you left off. Browse through your recent files and click on the project that contains the image you want to apply a filter to. This will open up your project in the editor. Now that your project is open, take a moment to locate the specific image you want to enhance with a filter. Click directly on that image to select it. This is an important step because it tells Adobe Express exactly which element you want to modify. You'll notice the image becomes highlighted or selected, indicating that you're ready to make changes to it. With your image selected, shift your attention to the left panel of the editor. This is where all the editing magic happens. Look for and click on the Effects option. The Effects panel is your gateway to a variety of creative tools, including the filters we're going to use to transform your image. Clicking on Effects will open up a range of options designed to elevate your visual content. Once you're in the Effects panel, you'll see an array of filter options available to you. Take your time browsing through these filters to find the one that best suits your vision. Whether you're looking for something vibrant and bold or soft and subtle, there's likely a filter that matches your aesthetic. Go ahead and select your preferred filter by clicking on it. You'll see the effect immediately applied to your image, giving you a preview of how it looks. But we're not done yet. To really fine-tune the look of your image, click on the Intensity button. This feature gives you complete control over how strong or subtle you want the filter effect to be. You'll see a slider appear, and you can adjust the intensity from left to right based on your preferences. Moving the slider to the left will make the effect more subtle, while moving it to the right will make it more pronounced and dramatic. Play around with this until you find the perfect balance that makes your image pop. And there you have it. You've successfully applied and customized a filter to your image in Adobe Express. This simple technique can dramatically transform your visuals and help you create content that truly stands out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.